admit that I've always been someone who, I've not always been too much for technology. I'm not saying I'm resisting it, but I've never really made the attempt to go out there and understand what apps are all about, or I've never really been that person. I think to put it into context, I'm someone who'd rather take pictures on a camera and print them and put them in an album versus what I guess everyone today is doing. But I think I have to admit that ever since Axis Bank has come into my life, a lot of things have changed, and especially with Lime. I think it's a fantastic app. It's so cool. I can't even believe that someone can come up with something that can do almost everything for you. You know, right from it being your wallet to you know, helping you share with your friends, to sort of, if I'm not mistaken, it also helps you sort of, it gives you investment guidance and things like that. I don't know if that's for you guys in phase 1 or phase 2, or that's probably what that will...
Some tips already and
eventually. And I find that really fascinating that you have everything on this one app. And it's something that I'm very, very excited about, and definitely excited about exploring. And I can definitely tell you that it's going to be very, very popular amongst our generation, that's for sure. I've always believed that I think everyone who comes on board a film contributes equally to the success or to the failure of a film. Ranbir is a huge star, we all know that. Everyone has their ups and downs through their careers. I don't think I'm anyone to comment on what he's been through. Having said that, I think Tamasha is a very, very special film for all of us. We've all worked with each other individually in a different capacity. Like I've done Love Aajkal with Imtiaz. Both of them have done Rockstar together. Ranbir and me have done Bachna Hai Hasino. We've done Ye Jawani together. So I think we've all worked, and in spite of that, we are all very, very good friends, all three of us. And it was always a dream for me to work with this team of, you know, Ranbir and Imtiaz, basically to be directed by Imtiaz, and that Ranbir and me work with each other. And that happened finally. And it's been a very, very special journey. It is a very, very special film. And, you know, if it does well, I think we'll all be equally responsible. And if not, I think we'll all be equally responsible.